Today I'm excited to share a simple method to make a tender and flavorful Japanese-style roast beef using a frying pan and a pot. It's a perfect recipe for impressing your family and friends, and you can make ahead and enjoy the luxurious dinner at home. Let's get started. I'm using a block of Wagyu beef fillet which weighs about half a pound, and it's perfect for 2 servings. Wagyu beef tends to be marbled with fat, so choose a cut that isn't overly fatty. Before cooking, take the meat out of the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature. While it's resting, sprinkle a pinch of salt over the surface to lightly season it. This step helps the flavor spread evenly. Let the meat sit for about 1 hour. After the meat has rested for 1 to 2 hours, pat the surface dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Heat the frying pan over high heat and sear the meat on all sides until it's nicely browned. This locks the flavor and gives the roast its signature taste. Once seared, transfer the meat to a deep pot that fits nicely. Using the same frying pan, add crushed garlic and thinly sliced onions. Sauté until they are soft and fragrant, allowing them to absorb the flavorful brown bits from the meat. Add your seasonings in water and bring the mixture to a boil. Then pour it over the meat in the pot. Check the temperature of the liquid. It should be around 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the pot tightly to keep the heat and let it cool gradually. This method ensures the meat stays tender and juicy and avoid overcooking. The roast beef will keep in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, making it perfect for making ahead of time. After it has rested and chilled, it's time to slice it. In the moment of truth, look at that beautiful pink center. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's best to let it come to room temperature before eating. Now let's turn the flavorful broth into a delicious sauce. Bring 1 cup of the broth to a boil, then gradually stir in the 1 tablespoon of potato starch dissolved in the same amount of water. Mix well to thicken up the sauce and finish with a small drizzle of neutral flavored vegetable oil to give it a glossy finish. For the garnish, I've chosen colorful vegetables to give it a festive Christmas feel. After cutting the lotus root, soak it in water to remove any excess starch. Steam the lotus roots for about 5 minutes first, as it takes the longest to cook. Add the remaining vegetable and steam them for another 3 to 4 minutes until tender. Arrange the sliced roast beef on the plate with the steamed vegetables and generously pour the sauce over the top. The meat is incredibly flavorful from the first browning and so tender. It's prepared in Japanese style. It's light and not overly rich, so you can enjoy as much as you like without feeling heavy. I always find roast beef is a little tricky to get it just right, but with this method, you can easily achieve the professional level result. And if you are investing the good quality meat, this method ensures it turns out perfectly every time. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. I'm gonna share with you easy holiday recipes in this holiday week, so stay tuned. Happy holidays and happy cooking, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!